Hi friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today I'm going to do a review on Mary Kay's Microdermabrasion Plus set. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the Microdermabrasion Plus set. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what the Microdermabrasion Plus set is, how to use it, and then I will show you my befores and afters of using it throughout the whole entire month of January. Okay, so while using the Microdermabrasion set, I try to stick to a very basic skincare routine so that I can see the full effects of the microdermabrasion. So the only things that I used this whole entire month was my Time-Wise Miracle set. So this is just my basic anti-aging skincare line that I always use. So it has a 4-in-1 cleanser, it has a day and night cream that have my moisturizers in it, and then it has my eye cream. So that's just the basic set that I used. And then since I was not using my charcoal mask or any other masks, I did continue using my acne treatment gel just because I do have occasional breakouts, and if I wasn't using the charcoal mask, I knew that I was going to need that as well. So those are the only products that I use on top of the microdermabrasion, because the microdermabrasion obviously is going to work better if you are using a normal skincare routine than if you were just not using anything at all. And then the Time-Wise Miracle set is actually paired to be used with the microdermabrasion, so obviously I'm going to get better results if I use this skincare as if I use a different skincare or a different brand, just because it's formulated to work really well together. So I will be showing you what my results are using it as an entire set. So if you use the Time-Wise Miracle set with the Microdermabrasion Plus set, that is called the Ultimate set. So obviously they're meant to work together. So that is what I used. I used the Mary Kay Ultimate Miracle set. And we're going to see how my results from not using the microdermabrasion to using the microdermabrasion is. Okay, so what is the Microdermabrasion Plus set? So this is considered the Plus set because it has the Microdermabrasion Refine and it has the Pore Minimizer together. So they do different things, but they're obviously going to work better together. That's why they're in a set. So if you don't know what microdermabrasion is, you can actually go to a dermatologist or a spa and get a microdermabrasion treatment. It is a very popular treatment that helps unclog pores and exfoliate the skin. It is a physical exfoliator, so it uses little tiny crystals to help exfoliate and break apart the dead skin on your face in order to unclog your pores and essentially clean and smooth out the skin. So most of the time when you get a microdermabrasion treatment, you would have to go into a spa or dermatologist. This can range from $100 to $150 per session, and some people get it once a week or once every other week. But with Mary Kay, the whole set is only a fraction of that price and usually lasts about 3 to 6 months. So I'm going to be using the Mary Kay microdermabrasion. Okay, so after you use the microdermabrasion, we have the Pore Minimizer. The Pore Minimizer is like a serum, and it goes on to help shrink the appearance of your pores. So it's really tightening the skin that it's going on to help the appearance of the pores to shrink. It's not actually shrinking the pores because you can't actually do that, but you can shrink the appearance of pores and help prevent bacteria and stuff getting into the pores as easily. So this is what the Pore Minimizer does. Okay, so how do we use the microdermabrasion? So if we were using a very basic skincare routine, first you would wet your face and then you would take about a dime size of your cleanser and wash in circular upward motions and then wash that off your face. And then you would add your microdermabrasion. So you're basically washing your face again with the microdermabrasion. If the microdermabrasion is a little too abrasive for you the first couple times, you can add it into your cleanser and wash with your cleanser and the microdermabrasion together. So the microdermabrasion is more of a harsher treatment, so we actually only want to use the microdermabrasion about 2 or 3 times a week or every 3 days. So you wouldn't be washing your face every day with the microdermabrasion. It would be just too much for your skin. So using it consistently for a month would mean every 3 days or pick 2 days a a week to use it. Now after you washed and dried your skin with the microdermabrasion, that is when you can add your pore minimizer. So the pore minimizer just goes on like a normal serum or moisturizer, and this you can actually use every day, twice a day. So if you are not going to use the microdermabrasion refined step, you can still use the pore minimizer, and it is very helpful because it does help shrink the appearance of pores and makes your skin look smoother and softer. Now this is when you can go ahead and put the rest of your skincare. So any other spot treatments or serums can go on, then your moisturizers and your eye cream. So what I do is I do my acne treatment gel on the areas that I need it, and then I use my day or my night cream depending on the time of day, and then I will add in my eye cream. So this is what I did for a month, and here are my befores and afters. So here are my before and afters without makeup on, and as you can see, my skin is a lot less textured, I have a little bit less breakouts, and my skin is a lot brighter. And here's my before and after with foundation on. It isn't that noticeable because I have a very good foundation that's good at covering things up, but you can tell that I have a little bit less redness in the skin and it is brighter as well. So that is our Microdermabrasion Plus set. I really like this set, and I always see my skin look so much better when I use this set. You don't have to use the Time-Wise Miracle set with the microdermabrasion if you don't want to. If you prefer the repair set, or you like the botanical line or the clear proof line, you can use the microdermabrasion with any of those lines. Obviously, the Miracle set and the microdermabrasion work really well together, but Mary Kay makes all of their products able to be used interchangeably and with all of the other products, so you can mix and match your skincare to fit you best. So make sure you go reach out to your Mary Kay consultant, and if you don't have a consultant and need one, go ahead and check out my information below and I would be happy to help. So that is all I have for today, and I will have another video like this in the future. I think I'll be doing one every other month just to kind of give my skin a little bit of time to adjust to each product. So I'll just keep adding on products and showing you my results. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell button for new videos every Thursday. And if you haven't checked it out, I have a Valentine makeup tutorial for this look right here. You can check it out there, and I will see you next week.